This portable Hall effect setup is designed for physics laboratories. The Hall effect is used to measure the concentration of electrons or holes and their mobility in N-type and P-type semiconductors. The Hall effect kit includes permanent magnets, multimeters, batteries, and other accessories. A breadboard and a set of wires can be used by students to build an electronic circuit without any soldering. 3 semiconductor samples are included in the kit: silicon and gallium nitride. The sample holder with a sample is inserted in the 1 centimeter wide gap between 2 super-strong neodymium magnets. The direction of the magnetic field can be changed by flipping the sample holder. The magnetic field between the magnets is almost 1 Tesla. The portable setup will replace bulky magnets in your lab and will allow several students to conduct simultaneously and individually the same experiment in a regular classroom.